From north to south and from west to east, high-speed railways crisscross China's vast landmass. By the end of 2021, 93% of Chinese cities with a population of over 500,000 had access to high-speed railway services. The total length of high-speed railways in service has surpassed 40,000 kilometers, which is enough to circumnavigate the equator. CRRC Changchuan Railway Vehicles Company Limited in Changchuan, capital of northeast China's Jilin Province, is the birthplace of the Fusheng and Heshi series of high-speed trains. In July 2015, Xi Jinping, General Secretary of the Communist Party of China Central Committee, visited a high-speed train manufacturing plant where he inspected the assembly line and boarded a train to check its functions and facilities and learned how it operates. She said high-speed trains are emblematic of China's equipment manufacturing industry and have become a highlight of China's external economic and technological cooperation. He called for seizing the opportunity and momentum to make further progress. Designers and engineers worked day and night and made one breakthrough after another, making the technologies that power the trains better and stronger. In the train manufacturing workshop in Changchuan, dozens of brand-new Fusheng trains are lined up and workers are busy assembling the trains. Hu Junxiang, a senior technician with CRRC Changchuan, has seen firsthand how China's high-speed trains manufacturing has progressed from its infancy to its current state as the pacesetter of the industry.
面向我们未来的工作呢，我们要进一步的加强自己攻关的原创性和引领性。 让我们的复兴号动车组跑得更快，行得更稳，使我们的中国高铁成为中国式现代化的亮丽名片。
To build railways is also to build dreams. In 1905, construction started for the Beijing-Zhangjiakou Railway. At that time, China barely had a manufacturing industry. It was impossible to produce the equipment needed to build railways. Some 110 years later, the Beijing-Zhangjiakou high-speed railway was built, marking a new technological milestone for China's high-speed railways leading the world. 5G internet access, wireless charging, and barrier-free facilities. On December 30, 2019, when the Beijing-Zhangjiakou high-speed railway started operation, passengers were impressed by the technologies used in the high-speed trains.
这个比原来那个环境要好得多，也更方便、更快捷。比原来我们转个车，可能从路上就要浪费4-5个小时，现在这个时间都大大缩短了。
She noted that the Beijing-Zhangjiakou high-speed railway looks all the more important if we revisit what all transpired over the past century. On January 19, 2021, she took the high-speed rail to the Zhangjiakou competition zone to inspect the preparation work for the Beijing 2022 Olympic and Paralympic Winter Games. He noted that high-speed rail is a successful example of original innovations in China. Starting from scratch, China brought in and absorbed the technology and then independently innovated upon it. The country has become a global leader in this field. For the first time in the world, the Beijing-Zhangjiakou high-speed railway clocked in at 350 km per hour in driverless commercial operation. With the 600 km per hour high-speed maglev transport system, 400 km per hour gauge-changeable bullet trains, and 350 km per hour high-speed freight trains successfully rolling off the assembly line. China's high-speed rail technology has become well recognized around the world. Such historic transformation reflects the remarkable changes of a country. The railway linking Beijing and Zhangjiakou has witnessed the development of China's railway system and the tremendous advance of China's composite national strength. the once impoverished country has become the world's second largest economy and the world's top manufacturer that has all the industrial categories listed in the United Nations Industrial Classification. China, the country that was once closed off to the world and suffered bullying from foreign forces, is moving closer to the center stage of the world, joining hands with other countries to advance the Belt and Road Initiative and to build a community with a shared future for humanity. Xi noted that transport is the artery of the economy and a bond between civilizations. Chinese high-speed trains have continued to break records, going global at a steady yet rapid pace. In October 2022, all box girders were erected along the high-speed rail connecting Jakarta, capital of Indonesia, and Bandung, the country's fourth largest city. The railway is a signature project of the BRI and a hallmark of the pragmatic cooperation between China and Indonesia. It is also the first Chinese high-speed rail project built overseas with the participation of the whole system, all factors, and entire industrial chain. On November 16, 2022, Chinese President Xi Jinping and Indonesian President Joko Widodo witnessed the trial operation of the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway. Transportation is the product of modern science and technology. The high-speed railway, an embodiment of China, had seen how the country's transportation sector has benefited from a series of significant technological innovations. Transport, in the forms of camel caravans and sailing boats on the ancient Silk Road, wave-breaking vessels in the age of exploration, and crisscross transport networks in this modern age, has facilitated economic integration and people-to-people exchanges and turned the world into a close-knit global village.